Hello friends, today's topic 53 good stocks less than rupees 1500, and I put a question mark and an exclamatory remark also. Why question mark? Later you will understand. My name is Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Many people keep saying that they don't have a big budget and can invest only a small amount every month. They inquire about which stocks are low priced in the stock markets. In this video, we have compiled a list of stocks in two indices which are currently trading below 1500. Please note that there are hardly any large cap stocks trading below 1000 or rupees 500. The list will help investors whose investment capacity is low to do further fundamental analysis on these stocks and consider a few for long term. Many of these stocks have low price but are fundamentally strong. One of the reasons for the low price could be because of the regular bonus and splits. Now stocks below rupees 1500 in Nifty 50 index. First one is Adani Port, sector port infrastructure, market price 1272. 2 Axis Bank, sector banking, market price 1051. 3 Bharti Airtel, telecom 1120. 4 BPCL, oil refining and 614. 5 Cipla, pharma 1440. 6 Coal India, coal 456 rupees. 7 HDFC Bank, banking 1404 rupees. 8 HDFC life insurance 584 rupees. 9 Hindalco, metals 591 rupees. ICICI Bank, banking 1011 rupees. 12 IndusInd Bank, banking 1486 rupees. 12 ITC cigarette, market price 415. 13 JSW Steel, sector metals, market price 812. 14 NTPC, sector power, market share 325. 15 ONGC, sector oil and gas, market price 268. 16 power grid, power 273 rupees. 17 SBI, banking 726 rupees. SBI life insurance is a sector 1440 rupees. Tata Consumer FMCG 1129. Tata Motors Automobile 915. Tata Steel Metals 141. Tech Mahindra IT Company 1311. UPL Chemicals 458 rupees. Wipro IT 490 rupees. Now going to another list, and that is Nifty Next 50 and the stocks below rupees 1500. First is Adani Energy Solutions, power generation sector 1055 rupees. 2 Adani Total Gas, gas distribution 1024 rupees. 3 Adani Wilmar, sector FMCG 345 rupees. 4 Ambuja Cement, cements and 576 rupees. 5 Bank of Baroda, sector banking, market price 264 rupees. 6 Berger Paints and the sector is paints, market price 554. 7 BEL, defense 181. 8 Canara Bank, banking 571. 9 Chola Investment, it is an NBFC, market price 1122. 10 Dabur, personal products 539 rupees. DLF, real estate 834 rupees. 12 Nykaa, e-commerce 150 rupees. 13 GAIL, gas distribution 173 rupees. 14 Godrej Consumer, personal products 1219 rupees. 15 Havells, electric equipment 1347 rupees. 16 ICICI Prudential, life insurance 521 rupees. 17 Indus Towers, telecom equipment 226 rupees. 18 IOC, refineries 183 rupees. 19 IRCTC, catering and online booking 939 rupees. 20 LIC, life insurance 1081 rupees. 21 Marico, personal products 521 rupees. 22 Samvardhana Motherson, auto ancillaries 121 rupees. 23. Muthoot Finance, NBFC, 1378. 24. SBI Cards, Credit Cards, 718 rupees. 25. Tata Power, Power Generation, 392 rupees. 26. United Spirits, Sector Breweries and Market, 1112. Varun Beverages, 27. Beverages, 1370. 28. Vedanta Sector Metals, market price 274, and 29. Zomato Sector Food Delivery, 149. There are some observations. Number 1. In Nifty 50 there are 24 stocks below 1500, and Nifty Next 50 there are 29 stocks. Second one, out of the 100 shares, 53 shares are priced below 1500, that is 53%. 3. Large number of these companies are public sector companies, that means government owned. 4. Just because the stock price is lower, it does not mean it is a cheap company, or stock price is higher, it does not mean it is expensive. You need to do the complete fundamental analysis and understand how good it is. That is why we have put a question mark on the title. The idea is, the title says that all these stocks are good, but how good is that stock? You are going to find out through your fundamental analysis. Fifth observation in this video is, don't hesitate to buy stocks which are priced higher. If they are good, even investing 1 or 2 quantities regularly will result in good profits in the long term. Example, buying silver tumbler versus steel tumbler. Any number of silver tumblers will not make any difference, or the appreciation. Steel tumbler makes the whole thing. Number 6. By knowing and doing fundamental analysis, we will develop the ability to select good stocks out of a list of stocks in front of us. This is a very essential skill to be successful in stock markets. End of the video, here is a question. In your current portfolio, which stock has the lowest value? Type the name of the stock in the comment section. If you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.